Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram notifications private, especially those about comment likes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide Instagram comment likes notification content on your lock screen. This way, your phone stays personal, and your social activity remains just for you. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where all your app controls are located. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. Once you're in the Instagram app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Instagram. Now, scroll until you find the Comment Likes option under the Instagram Notifications section. This is the specific notification type that lets you know when someone likes your comment. Tap on Comment Likes. You'll see several options for how these notifications appear. Look for the lock screen setting and tap on it. Here's the important part. Choose Hide Content. By selecting this, your phone will still alert you when someone likes your comment, but the details won't be visible on your lock screen. Instead, you'll just see that you have a notification from Instagram, without any personal information or comment details being shown. That's it. You've just made your Instagram notifications more private in a few simple steps. Now, whenever someone likes your comment, you'll be notified, but only you can see the details once you unlock your phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates and privacy hacks to keep your digital life secure.